Hello, here's what's moving the markets. Trump stated China broke their deal in trade talks. PMA will meet the 1922 committee to discuss her future, and Bitcoin breaks through the $6,000 handle. Okay, let's break down the developing news. Asian equities were mostly negative as US-China trade uncertainty kept global risk sentiment cautious ahead of trade talks in Washington, and as the region also digested a heavy slate of corporate earnings and mixed Chinese data. Chinese CPI was in line and PPI topped forecasts, but lending data disappointed and fell below expectations. US President Trump alleged that China broke the deal in trade talks and warned of not backing down until China stops cheating US workers. Otherwise, the US will not do business with them. US trade officials will apply tariffs on Chinese goods exported from Friday and not to items already in transit, which gives the negotiators a 2 to 4 week window before the full impact of higher tariffs come into effect. Chinese negotiators have arrived in Washington to resume talks and aim to get back on track. UK PMA has agreed to meet and discuss her future with the executives of the 1922 committee next week, and a spokesperson has stated a second round of talks with Labour will take place in the coming days. Recent reports have suggested an agreement is still undetermined. The yen and the dollar index was steady and held onto the prior day's gains as the risk-averse tone provided support for safe havens, while its counterparts, the euro and sterling, slipped ahead of PMA's discussions with the 1922 committee. Bitcoin's price rose above the $6,000 dollar handle on most cryptocurrency exchanges for the first time in nearly 6 months. Bitcoin's dominance continues, now reaching 57%. Other high-ranking altcoins are reporting gains in the last 24 hours. Looking ahead, highlights include US PPI and wholesale inventory, and speeches from Fed's Powell, Bostic, and Evans. I'll see you in the next traders report. Thank you for listening and have a good trading day.